Welcome to the Olive Scholar, where excellent is our tradition. Today class would be a summary about Earth. What is Earth? Earth is our home planet, the third planet from the Sun, and the only known place in the universe where life exists. This is Earth. It rotates on its own axis. That's the spinning motion that gives us day and night. What is the shape of the Earth? Earth is not a perfect round sphere, it's an oblate spheroid, meaning it's slightly flattened at the north and south poles and bulges noticeably at the equator. This makes it look squished or bent when you compare it directly to a perfect ball. Here are the two different images side by side. One shows an exaggerated oblate spheroid squished, flattened version to make the shape obvious, and the other is a real NASA composite photo of Earth from space which looks almost perfectly round because the flattening is very subtle in reality. Oblate spheroid is the Earth shape. What does the Earth contain? The Earth contains layers from outside to inside. The four main layers are labeled on this diagram. 1. Crust, 0 to 5 to 70 kilometers deep. 2. Mantle, 10 kilometers to 2,890 kilometers deep. 3. Outer core, approximately 2,890 to 5,150 kilometers deep. 4. Inner core, approximately 5,150 kilometers to 6,371 kilometers. Center. Classification of the four layers of the Earth. Crust. This is the surface area. Crust is a thin outer area skin and 5 to 70 kilometers deep and rocky. The Earth's crust, the foundation of all terrestrial life. The crust is the land we walk on. Mountains, tree, human, animals, plant. Anything naturally developed from nature that is on land is produced by the crust layer. What is crust? Guessing. Crust is the surface layer of the world. There are two types of crust layers. Land crust. This is the surface of the Earth. The land is the surface of the Earth. Ocean crust. This is the surface of the ocean. The sea is the surface of the ocean.
This brings us to the end of the crust layer section. Questions. The Earth crust is the foundation of all what? 2. How deep is the crust layer? 3. What is crust? 4. What are the two types of crust layers? Continuation of the layers of the Earth coming soon.